Casey here with 911 Motorsports, and today I'm going to show you our 4-point jack adapter. Our jack adapter easily converts your floor jack to safely hold anything that is large, heavy, and awkward, such as
solid front axles, independent front axles, rear axles with link suspensions. It also works good on manual transmissions, transfer cases. It even works on third members as well. Fuel tanks? Yeah, that's no problem with a jack adapter. It also works great on aftermarket winch bumpers too. Doors? Heck yeah, that's no problem with a jack adapter.
I have one set up on a floor jack over here and another one set up on a transmission jack over here. The only difference between the two is the base plate you choose to mount on the jack. There is a floor base plate for the floor jack and a transmission base plate for the transmission jack. The transmission base plate just bolts onto your transmission jack. The floor base plate will attach in a couple different ways, but we'll cover that a little later in the video. Our jack adapter is comprised of several different components. The telescoping tubing and slotted crossbars let you put the support points where they need to be. The perforated supports offer easy adjustment with a quick release pin and are designed to hold the main load. The threaded supports offer fine adjustment and are designed to stabilize the load, and they give you the ability to adjust rotation. Assembling the jack adapter is easy to do. Generally, you will put the threaded supports in the center like this, and then you will install the big main bar and then the small main bar, and then assemble the rest of the jack adapter. But there are some instances when you will want to offset the threaded supports, such as in the case of doing a front axle with an offset differential. In that case, you put it together like this, and then you can assemble the rest of the jack adapter. The jack adapter works extremely well on a transmission jack because you have additional features to be able to tilt whatever you're working on while you're trying to install and remove it from the vehicle. But the jack adapter also works just great on a floor jack as well. Our floor jack base plate is designed to work with multiple different types of jacks. Right here I have 3 different styles. This is the old school drop-in style saddle. This will measure roughly 1 3/16 of an inch. These are both the newer bolt-on style saddles. They usually have a little chunk of rubber right here. You pull that off, and then you can unbolt this little bolt here, and then you can pull the saddle off. This is a standard duty, and it's important to note this little lip that's raised right here. Now, I'll go over to this, which is a heavy-duty style floor jack. It'll be the same process. Pull the rubber, unbolt this, then you can remove the saddle. But on this one, you'll notice there is no raised lip. If you have the raised lip style, this is also the more common style because it is a standard duty floor jack. If you have this style, you will take the base plate, drop it on, bolt it back in place, and you'll be ready to use the jack adapter. If you happen to have this style, you will also need a little ring that you will put in between the bolt and the base plate and then assemble them. On the old school drop-in style saddle, you will take the base plate and the included pin, and then you will want to press them together like this right here, and then you'll be ready to use the jack adapter. We also have this, which is called the bumper extension. You can take these tubes, assemble them together like this, and then you will also want to unbolt one of these slotted bars and flip it over so you have a little extra meat up top. Slide this over the top of that. You can tighten these thumb screws down, and then you can reassemble the threaded support up here. And what this does is allow this to slide inside the fair lead slot of your winch bumpers. Or another added benefit is you can set a door on the jack adapter and then use this to stabilize it so it doesn't want to, fall over. We also sell a 3-point version of the jack adapter, which comes with this bar instead of this bar. That's about the only difference between the 3 and the 4-point version. This guy is adjustable. It's just you only get 1 point instead of 2 on this. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our website to stay up to speed with 911 Motorsports.